This video we are going to talk about the top 5 interesting gadgets around the world, so before we get start make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. We all like the coming of new technology, mainly when it provides entertainment and convenience for you or helps you come up with creative present ideas for loved ones. In our list of the most incredible, newest gadgets we believe you'll enjoy, we've gathered some of the most fascinating and inventive pieces of technology available right now. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Every year, DJI's mini-series models shrink while gaining power, packing premium features into a little drone that you can throw in your backpack. However, all those advancements come at an eye-watering cost, and the concern that you may lose your financial stability if you crash it is growing. Advanced obstacle avoidance capabilities, a rotating lens that allows you to capture portrait or landscape shots, 4K video, and intelligent flying capabilities like automated tracking and the ability to follow a subject are all included. This drone seems ideal for novices, travelers, or basically anybody looking for a lightweight, high-tech drone despite its expensive price. Number 4. Therabody Wave Roller. Therabody Wave Roller adds a ton of technology to the conventional foam roller design. Roller aids in the relief of all your aches and pains through the use of vibration therapy and a wave-like texture. It has 5 programmable vibration frequencies, an app that can lead you through a rolling exercise, and it can be used any place on the body that requires working out. Number 3. Gadget Discovery Club Tech Subscription Box. The popularity of subscription boxes is rising, and if you're the type of person who enjoys fancy gadgets, and we can tell you do since you've made your way here, you probably don't care too much about what new technology shows up at your door as long as it suits your technical preferences. With the proviso that you don't know what you're going to get, the Gadget Discovery Club guarantees to bring you smart home gadgets, music technology, wearable technology, smartphone gadgets, and other wonderful gizmos for far less money than you could pay for them in stores, hence the discovery part of the Gadget Discovery Club. Without giving too much away, I received a frighteningly potent small Bluetooth speaker in my first shipment, which retails for around £40. Number 2. GoCycle G4 Electric Bike. There are many electric bikes available today, but if you live in a city and frequently take trains, buses, and stairs, having the option to fold the bike down may be essential. The new GoCycle G4 offers a high-end electric bike that can be folded down with ease, and that is its primary selling point. There is a strong motor inside, and you can also attach an app to it to start the bike remotely, check your speed, see how much energy is left, and do other things. This bike handles well on highways, grass, and other more unusual terrain thanks to its traction control capabilities. Even the modes vary, sending forth greater power as required. Number 1. EasyViz C3N Outdoor Smart Wi-Fi Camera. A reliable piece of equipment is the tennis ball-sized EasyViz C3N security camera. It is necessary. In classic British fashion, it was hammered by hail, rain, and storms during the first week of its erection before being baked on the warmest day of the year. The EasyViz app is delightfully uncomplicated, and installation is simple enough as long as you have a drill to secure it to your wall. You can switch to a full-screen live broadcast, and pressing record will neatly save the video to both your camera roll and the app itself. If you want to use the camera for other purposes, such as watching the kids while you work from home or even as a nature camera, this live view function is great. It's also practical to connect many cameras to one system so that users may share gadgets. However, we are aware that the true reason you are here is to determine whether or not this security camera is effective. It doesn't let me down, I guess. Regarding video quality, Full HD 1080p resolution produces extremely clear daytime vision and lifelike colors. That's it for today. Hope so you like it. If you like and want to hear from me again, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.